type of target. So you will go to your HTML folder and create two file, HTML folder, and create two file. In which folder? HTML. Or we'll wait 2 minutes. Maybe some of people should log in. स्क्रीन का रेजोल्यूशन नहीं है, लेवल जो है ना लेवल है Okay, we'll go ahead. We'll create one file, link1.html in same folder. Which folder? Our HTML folder. Here, link1. Don't give a space. File name should be link1. Link1.html. Link1. So I wrote like this. Link1.html. Link1. One file. One more file. Link2.html. Link1.html. Link2.html. Lining is coming continuous. So we'll go to the link one.html file. It should be visible. We'll follow the body and simple. You write h1. This is from page 1. This is from page 1. Next, we can write a p tag, keep some text. This file is to understand that target equal to new blank and self. Br we can add. Br we can add. Let's add some more line. Anything I can add here? Okay, let's add one more VR. Add one more VR. Next, after that, you can write ahref. Next file name, link to .html. You can write target equal to underscore self. Read more. Target equal to underscore self be given. So it will be self target. It will not go for the next file. Once you click on link, next page will come in the same tab. Okay, done. Link one file. We can go for the link two. We can add some content in link two also. Then we'll try running the file. Ready. Which one is not loading? Okay, next after this, go to the H2. link to file. So link 1, hope ready. Link to file. SQML we can follow. Link to .html. In this file, body simple open close. Write one h1 tag. This is from link to. Come down. Write again some p tag. Simple you can write ABCD. Anything is okay. Right. Some line of text you added, that is enough. In the link to file, you are not adding any hyperlink. Link to file is just a file that is getting linked from the link 1. Okay. Now we can run the link 1 file. In link 2, what we added? H1 and 1 paragraph. Next, we can run and see how it is going to work. So link 1 file, I will run it. Link 1 file will run it. And which target you have given? Target equal to underscore self, correct? When I click on read more, it will go to the next page, correct? Tab remain same. A tab is different. Same tab, no? Same tab. I'll go back. Again, I'll click on this. So tab remain same. Next page will open. That is called target equal to self. The next page will not open in the new tab. Same thing is happening in your system. You can check it. Just click. It will go to the next page. Come back. Okay. If you will not write target equal to underscore self, then also it will work same. Yesterday we have not written any target, but it was working same. When you click on that, it was going to the next page. Okay. And when you click back, it will come back to the previous page. So default target is underscore self. It will not write also. Now let me write here target equal to new. Our theory says target equal to new. When you click first time, it will open a new tab. On the same link, if you click again and again, it will not open multiple tabs. The tab is already open. It will get reload. It will get reload. It will get reload. Okay. The tab is already open. It will reload. It will open new tab first time. Let me come to the browser. This is my first page. Where will link we have given? Click here. New tab is open. This page will leave. Will not close at all. We'll go to the first page again. Again, we click here. It will redirect you to the second tab. Again, if you go to the first page, click on the link, redirect to the second. Again, first page, click on that. Simple, redirect it to where? Second. Like the next tab is getting reload again and again. If you click 4 times in this page, if you click 4 times, what will happen? It will not open the 4 tab. Only one tab will be there. That tab will keep reload every time. If we close this tab, then in browser, system will maintain the cookie, which page was open, when it was open. If I close this tab, so cookie will get erased. Now your browser will not have any history saying like already a tab is open. When I click here, again one more tab will get open. Okay. This tab I'll leave like this. I'll go to the first page, click again. This is the second time. One tab has opened. This is the third time. Redirected to the second tab. Again click here, redirected to where? Same tab. Like you can say, if you click on this link 10 times also, it will not open the new tab. You have written the theory yesterday. It says underscore new, what it says? The next page will open in the new tab, but when? Only first click. When you click first time, if the tab is not exist, then it open the new tab. If already one tab is open, then it will not open the new tab. It will just get reload. It will get reload. You can try in your system, check once. Happening similar. Give target equal to new. Then see at least one new tab is getting open, the first click. You should not close the newly open tab, which is new tab is open, just let it be. Click on the link, click on the link. So underscore self underscore new is clear. Now what is next? We have called underscore blank. Underscore blank I given. We'll go to the browser and I will refresh the page. After refreshing the page, I'll click here, one click, one tab is open. I'll click again, one more tab is open. We click again, one more tab is open, right? We click again, one more tab is open. We click again, one more tab open. So that, how many? We click 4-5 times. 4-5 tabs got open. That only we have discussed yesterday. Underscore new means new tab first time. Underscore blank means new tab every time. Underscore self means no concept of new tab. Your next page will open within the same tab. JavaScript also we have something. There also I'll guide you once we come in JavaScript. Okay. So we have written in developer guide how many? We have written only 3, correct? Only 3 we have written. We have 3 more we can make a note. And then once you come in JavaScript, we'll implement it. Link2.html, this is the file. Link2 is in the same folder or some other folder? Same folder, then it should work. Let us know whether your page is working. New blank underscore self underscore new underscore blank. Right? Is that clear? New blank self. So from today onwards on internet, run. So from today onwards on website, when we browse any kind of website, if you click on that, a new tab will open. The first time you will have confusion whether he has used blank or name. Okay. To test it, click again. Then you will come to know he has used the blank. Correct? Or will come to know they have used called new. Right? Okay. So this all you will remember automatically. But what is but I'm trying to say? If you say forces behind the force, forces behind the force, what word represent? Forces behind the force. Forces behind the force, correct? When you go here, no, sometime go to the HL near to museum. HL museum is there. So near HL museum, one board is there. Okay. In that board, one rocket will round 3 times. And after that, last round, it will fly. Okay. And behind that is written forces behind the force. Okay. If rocket is going in the sky with a very fast speed, means behind that there is so many regions. Correct? A person say I'm expert developer is not meaning like he know on hi-fi technology only. He know from the very basic to advanced. He know each and everything. Each and every point he will say what is this written, why this is written. Correct or not? Okay. So we'll not say any knowledge is meaningless. Everything is meaningful only. Just keep storing in your okay. Keep storing in mind. It will be helpful. Come next. So we can write here in developer guide. Next we have using JavaScript. Okay, this is you can write here using JavaScript. Using JavaScript, you can write target equal to underscore target equal to underscore child. It open pop-up window. Target equal to child. Next we have called target equal to underscore parent also. PARENT, parent. These two you can do through the JavaScript. And one more we have using HTML frame set. Is an old technique. People not use in market, but one class will guide you for that. It is helpful to understand the Ajax, how Ajax work. Okay, that topic is not called name called a frame set. In frame set, we will write our own. In frame set, we will write our own call target equal to user defined. User defined. We will create our own target. Okay, we can create our own target. We can create our own target. What that represent? It represent like you have already seen on internet. You are using daily. If you remember your Gmail inbox, when you log into the Gmail, you click in the left hand side, content change in the right hand side. Entire page will change or only right side block will change. Ever we have analyzed that point? We are using daily Gmail, no? When you click in the left side, inbox, spam, trash, compose and all, right? When you click in the left side, do you feel entire page reload? Entire page is never reload. Today you can check it, okay? Click in the left side link, you will see top remains same, bottom remains same, left remains same, only the right side content got changed. Okay. So that happen in HTML. We have something called topic called this one. Call it a frame set. It works like this. Okay. Those are the changes of the technology in the market. There is a word called asynchronous. Asynchronous and synchronous. Asynchronous meaning is what? When you chat with a friend in the Facebook, when you chat with someone in the Gmail, your page will be complete fixed, but message will go and message will come. While sending the message, ever page reload? No. But how message will go? How message will go? You will type the message in HTML. From HTML, it will go to JavaScript. From JavaScript, using asynchronous method, it will go to the backend language. From backend language, it will go to database. As soon as the entry will happen in database, a trigger will fire and it will check message is sent by whom. Correct? Sent by whom, and it has to deliver to whom. Okay. Now again, once the database will receive the message from there, database will give the message to again backend language. Backend will give to JavaScript, and JavaScript will give to HTML. To whom you given the message from one side, HTML taken given to JavaScript, JavaScript given to Node.js, Node.js given to database. Again, database given to Node.js, Node.js given to JavaScript, and JavaScript given to HTML. This one flow is for you and one flow for your friend who is going to see the message. He will type the message, same flow will happen, it will go to database, and from database it will come to you. So how many steps? So many steps. How many technologies? So many technology. From today onwards, in today class, you should learn at least one thing, okay? From today onwards, whenever you message to anyone in WhatsApp, okay, whatever the message you want to write once and then send. Don't write hi, send, how are you, send, where are you today, send. You are traveling the internet 3 times. Ask how. You type the message in HTML. Your message will go to JavaScript. From JavaScript, it will go to the where server. From server, will go to the database. Database will go to the again where network. From network to where HTML, JavaScript. So how many times you send hi? This entire communication happen once. Again, you will send hello. Again, communication will happen. Again, you will send how are you. Communication again happen or not? How many parties? 3 parties. You, HTML, JavaScript, backend language, database, and in between dragging internet. Correct or not? And internet traffic is busy. Okay, so if you want to make internet little slow, fast, if you want to reduce the traffic on internet, whatever the message you want to anyone, write all once and send together. Correct? So what will happen? All the message will go in single shot. You will not keep the internet busy for 3 times. Internet will be busy for you for only 1 time. And in one shot, only entire message will go. I was trying to explain something else when somewhere else. Okay, it's called asynchronous. Okay, so asynchronous in HTML, we will be learning this topic called frame set. F-R-A-M-E-A-C-T, frame set. Okay, frame set. What functionality, what logic, what benefit you will get through the frame set in JavaScript, you will implement through this one. Called Ajax. So why frame set and Ajax? Because in frame set, functionality will happen, but some problem will come because of that. Next technology will help you. That is called Ajax. So using Ajax, you will do something. Same thing you will do through the frame set. So while doing the functionality similar in Ajax, doing the functionality similar in frame set, a property will help you. That is called this one. Call it what? User defined. How you are writing here, call underscore new underscore blank underscore self. Similar way, we can create our own property. Okay. For example, if you want to see, give 1 minute time. There is a pen. It is here. Okay. Like suppose you have a page where navigation in the left side and content is in the right side. In the left side, assume like one more header is here on the top, one more footer is in the last. So how many block of the page? 4 block. Now in the header, the red block, let me write here some color. Assume like red is always same and this blue is always same and the orange yellow is always same. The content is going to change every time under this one. Call as this pink block. Pink block is a dynamic block. Now what will happen? You will click here. You have a link here. You will click on this. You have one more link here. You will click on this. You have one more link here. You will click on this. Correct? You have one more link here. You will click on this. You are clicking on the link. Now, based on the click, you want to see the content. So what do you want? You want entire page should reload. If entire page should reload, see, header is same. Footer is also same. Left side is also same. Every time if the page will reload, how much duplicate data you are going to process? Header, footer, as well as left side. Right or not? So in that case, logic is, if header is always same, footer is always same, left side is always same. So why you are reloading entire section? You load only those sections, no, where data has to change. So you click in the left side and content should change under the right side. Click in the left side, content will change under the right side. Now suppose you have this area name is called XYZ. Which color I have selected? This area name is called XYZ. XYZ, okay? And this is the hyperlink. Today we have written the example. What you wrote? Target equal to new blank and self. New blank and self. Now suppose this is the hyperlink and the area name is what? XYZ. This area name is called XYZ. And your link is under the different area. That area name is called ABC. So user will click in which area? ABC. Content should change in which area? XYZ. The area number A and area number B should remain always same. Area number ABC also should remain same. Content should change under the XYZ. Now, where we are? We are at the point where we design the page, and in one page there is a 4 blocks. A, B, and ABC are static. Only the content had to change under the XYZ. Now we have written today link ahref, target equal to something you wrote. At the same time, suppose there is a 4 link you have here. Inside the 4 link, if you write target equal to XYZ, here, if you click here, and in this link, if link is there, in the link, if written target equal to XYZ, page will load. Whichever the page you are going to load, it will load. But where it will load? Not in the new, not in the blank, not in the self. You are writing XYZ. Now your compiler will start searching in current page where is the XYZ. The compiler will find, oh, there is an area called XYZ. So your page, you click in the left side remains same, and page will load in the right hand side. That is called this one. That is called which one? Target equal to user defined. Most on internet you will not get those kind of examples, but still why I teach? Because if you understand that point, then in Ajax you will not ask what we are doing here. You will come to know in frame set we have clicked here, content was coming here. Now in Ajax also we are going to click here, the content will come here, but the requirement is different. In frame set there was some problem, that problem will get fixed under the Ajax. Okay. In Ajax also you have some problem, that problem will get fixed by the jQuery Ajax. This one, jQuery Ajax. In jQuery Ajax also we have some problem that will get fixed by Angular and React. Okay. And that feature is called as a routing. So what is your destination? Your destination is to reach till Angular and React. That is the target, no? Correct? But in Angular and React, you are going to implement some feature. What is the connectivity of the feature? Where it's come from? Where is the origin? Right? So origin is where you are now. That is called your HTML. Okay. So we will be spending one class on this one, called as a frame set. And after that, we'll keep it somewhere. Once we come in Ajax, again we'll JavaScript, then we'll implement the Ajax. Then we'll remember the frame set. Okay, what we did in frame set. Same thing we are going to do in the Ajax. API we have written in the syllabus. API is also going to deal the same thing. Okay, Ajax is one feature, through that you can achieve, and API is another feature, through that also we can achieve the same thing. Okay. Okay, so these all are the future plan, what we are going to study. I will keep in the next line. If you write also well, if you are not writing then also well, you will be able to implement in the future, sure. So write this one. Which one? Using JavaScript, we can write target equal to child, target equal to parent, And even we will be creating our own target that we can give any name. Today we given the name called XYZ, right? So that I have written here for user defined. It can be anything. Name can be anything. Okay. Okay. Now you will ask the example of this. We are not going to create because once you come in JavaScript, then only will create. This example will create after 3-4 classes of HTML. Okay. These three are clear. Hopefully, target, self, name, and line. Okay. Coming to the next one. Okay. Next, what we have? Next, we have called table in HTML. Table in HTML. Okay. According to HTML4, you have little different structure. According to HTML5, you have little different structure. Both you are going to use, both are useful. It's not like HTML4 table is meaningless and HTML5 table is useless. Useful, both are useful. Some certain requirement will be there. We'll discuss on that and accordingly we will implement. Okay? Right. Table in HTML, you can write here a structure. 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 What will be the structure of HTML? Structure number 1 you write. First structure, because we will be writing through two way. Okay. Tag meaning is tag. And sub tag meaning is what? Sub tag. Mean tag inside the tag. It's called as a sub tag. But we will not call sub tag. It look like little odd. Okay. Tag is called as a element. Tag is called as a element. Tag inside tag we can call as a sub element. Okay. We have written anywhere or not? We have not written as of now. Okay. We'll make a note. So all the HTML tags you have seen till now, H1, paragraph, then bold italic, underline something, A tag, body tag, head tag, HTML tag. These all are called as a tag in HTML. Okay. But when you look into the CSS, these all the tags will call as a selector. Selector. What is called? Selector. 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 Okay. In HTML, we have discussed tag is of two types, input and output. But when you look into the CSS, to fulfill your requirement, according to CSS divide into 5 types. They will divide the selector into how many types? 5 types. We'll be making the notes on that, okay? But now we'll remember while reading on W3 or when you are watching the YouTube video of someone else on YouTube, if they are saying call it a selector, you should not feel surprised. It is like a HTML tag. Okay? HTML tag only he is calling as a selector. Again, while watching the any video, if anyone is calling as a element, okay? It represents two things. One is the value of array in JavaScript. That's called as a element. And another one is called, all the HTML tags are called element in JavaScript. All the HTML tags are called element in JavaScript. All the HTML tags are called selector in CSS. So how many we remember? 2. Selector also is tag only. Element is also tag only. Okay. When you are learning little advanced, maybe from internet, any kind of, suppose if you are learning someone, if you are watching someone React video, there you will find the word called JSX element. Element meaning is what? Tag only. But in that one more word will get added called JSX. 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 It's called JavaScript and XML. Full form will be JavaScript and XML. So whenever we see some word called JSX element, that is also HTML tag only. Okay. So how many words came in mind? Tag, selector, after that, element, as well as JSX element. 4 came in mind. Okay. 3 more we have. But that we'll see once time will come. Else we will forget remaining 4. Okay. Let it be 4 as of now. These 4 you will get, or if you are reading some theory from internet, there are also people, even I write some theory, I will write element only. I will not write college tag. Okay. So we can say as a tag, element, selector, JSX element, all are same. All are pointing to the HTML tags. Okay. Need to write or will you remember? लिख लीजिए. Different name of HTML tags. The different name of HTML tags. Different DIFFERENT. Different name of HTML tags. Okay. Which tag I should take example? Shall I take the example of H1? H1? H1 is known tag only too. So in the term of HTML, I'll write here in the term of HTML, it's called as a tag. Okay. Even you can write all the tags. All the HTML tags are tags only. Where? In HTML. Second line you write H1, for example, is called as a selector. But you can write all the HTML tags are called selector. Selectors. Where? In CSS. All the HTML tags are called selector in CSS. So, for example, I have written H1 is called as a tag in HTML. Even all the tags are tags. H1 only I wrote in term of CSS. What is called? Selector. Even we wrote all the HTML tags are called selector. Okay. In CSS. Same line I'll repeat again. H1 only in the term of JS, JavaScript. Okay. It will be called as a ELEMENT, element. All the HTML tags are called element. Element in where? In the JavaScript. One more line you can write here, React. Okay. It's called a JSX element. JSX element. All the HTML tags are called JSX element. All the HTML tags are called JSX element in React. So this line, even you can make the sentence better also from your side if you want. Or you can write this way also, this okay. HTML, all the tags are called selector in CSS. All the HTML tags are called as a element in JavaScript. All the HTML tags are called as a JSX element in React. For example, H1 is called as a tag. For example, H1 only called as a selector. For example, H1 only called as a element. For example, H1 only called as a H1 JSX element. Correct? Calm down. Now in HTML, when you are writing the table, HTML table, according to need, you have to follow the first table method also, second method table also. Okay, once we create example, I'll guide you. Now, table. So this structure is for what? Table. Correct? This is a table structure. Okay. So first the table tag will start. After that, two sub element will come. One will be called as a caption. Another sub element will call as a TR. TR you can call table row. Under the TR you will have one sub element that is called TH. Is called as a table heading. Right. Another one you have called TD. That is called table data. The double arrow mark represent the parent element. Single arrow mark represent the child. Okay, so caption end here. It has no anything further. So I have represent through the single arrow key. TR continue further. So I have represent through the double arrow key. Okay, TH end here only. So again I represented through single arrow key. TD further continue. I follow through the single arrow key. Okay. So how many tags total? 5 tag. 5 tag only, no? Table, TR, TH and TD. And one more is called caption. Table, caption, TR, TH and TD. These 5 tags you have to merge with the 10 properties. Okay. For HTML table, TR, TH and TD, we have total 10 properties. Then you will ask, what is the property? Today you have written href and you have used a property called target. So target is called as a property, correct? And then new blank and self become as a predefined value, not made by us. Now when we say table have the 10 property, so in that what will come? Where you want to display the table, left or right or center, that is called as a align. So align will become one property. Inside the table you want to display some lining also, that is called as a border property. You want to increase the height of the table, that's called as a height property. You want to increase the width of the table, that is called as a width property. You want to apply some color, BG color, that is called BG color property, correct? So that way how many we have? 10 we have nearly. And after applying the 10 property, your table will become a smart table. Voice is breaking for other people also. Let me know.
No,
Yes,
sir,
no?
it's audible.
Clear, right? You can check your internet connection. Okay. There may be little disturbance. Hold on. It was connected in the mobile. No, guaranteed should not be. For other people, there is no problem. Okay. Now come down. Write the next one. Table structure second. Okay. One way we can write like this. Another way how we can write. Second way. Second structure. What is that? Table will start, but caption will not come. Caption is not there in the second table. What will come? It will come called T head. That will cover the upper portion of table. T body will come. It cover the T body. It cover the middle portion of table. Next you have called T foot. It will cover the bottom portion of table. T foot it should be. T foot. T head, T body and T foot. T head where table heading upper portion. T board where middle portion. T foot where last portion. Okay. Next after that, under the T head what will come? Under the T head, TR will come. And under this TR, what will come? TH will come. You can make some coding decoding in the notebook because this is system I can modify, but in notebook you may not be. TR and here you will have called TD. TD. Okay. Again T foot will have a TR and after that you will have called TH. The number of tag is same. TR remains same, TH remains same, table remains same. What is extra? Extra is called T head, T body and T foot. To implement both the type of table, Okay, you require total 8 tags. HTML, not HTML, table, after that T-head, after that T-body, after that T-foot. And inside the T-head also TRTH, under the T-body also TRTD, under the T-foot also TR and TH. This is the one method. And this is what you follow. This is the another method. So this first belong to HTML4, second belong to HTML5. Without Angular and React, this will work everywhere. The first method will work without Angular and React. Second method will work with Angular and React. First method will not work with Angular and React. It will give the warning. It will say T-head, T-body, T-foot is not there. Okay. The first method will not get supported by Angular and React. Second method will get supported by all. All means your HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, and then you can say Angular, React. Everywhere the second method will get supported. Okay. Whereas first method will support everywhere except two places called Angular and React. Okay. Table row. T-head means TH means table heading. T-head means T-head only. T-head have nothing something. Okay. T-head itself a full word. TH is a half word, shortcut. That you can say table heading. But T-head, what is do? See, inside the T-head, is there called TH or not? Correct. If both represent same, then what is the meaning of both? Both are for the different purpose. T-head, you can understand this one, T-head. I'm not talking table heading. This is for table heading. And this is called T-head. T-head will cover the upper portion of table. In table, if you write in the bottom also, in the last also, anywhere you write, when you run it, it will come on the top. That is called T-head. T-foot, if you write in the beginning also, once you run it, it will go in the last. T-body, you write anywhere, either top, middle, bottom, anywhere. When you run it, it will come in the middle. For that, the places are fixed. Head, bottom, and footer. How to use, what is the benefit, I'll guide you. But let's implement some example. Then we'll know. Okay. First, we'll follow some example using this first method. After getting idea on first method, we'll go to the second method. Okay. So written, how many tags you wrote? Table, TR, TH, and TD, as well as caption. 5 tags. Another place you wrote table, T-head, TR, TH. T-body, TR, TD. T-foot, TR, and TH, right? Okay. Add some 3 property, then we'll create example. You can write here, list of property in table. List of property in table. List of property in table, TR, TH, and TD. Hope the voice is not breaking now. Is it? Or still breaking? Okay. Go ahead then. So there is a property called align. Property called align. Okay. It has 3 values. Left, right, as well as center. It has one more value called justify, but not in table. Somewhere else. I will guide you according to time. Next, right, next one. Call as a border. Border, what it will go? It will give the lining. Next, we can write a property called align you wrote, border you wrote. After that, write cell padding. Cell padding. Cell padding. Cell padding, what it do? We can write here one line. It apply a space inside TH, TD. it apply a space inside the th and td. In HTML, it is only one type, that is called cell padding. The same thing in CSS is of 5 types, that is called padding. Same thing in Bootstrap is of 25 types. So how many types in HTML? Only one. Same thing you can implement in CSS using how many types? 5 types. So in HTML it's called cell padding, and in CSS it's called only padding. Okay. But once you come in Bootstrap you can implement using 25 ways. 25 types is a predefined already. Okay. Then what is that? It's called the spacing. Where spacing? Inside the th and td. Like suppose you are displaying something inside the cells. th will create a cell. Inside the cell you are displaying the data. Now when you display the data, there should be some proper spacing. It should not look like congested. Okay. Our example is going to explain us. Create a file table1.html. Table1.html. In that, you will understand properly align, border, and cell padding. Table1.html in which folder? HTML folder. Yes. We'll write in HTML folder. Table1.html. Come down inside this file. So I hope you have written this, right? These notes, what you are writing, if you remember, if you look into the notes, you will remember your class. If you if you look into the notes, you will remember entire class. Okay, right? So it will help you a lot. Keep writing. It's helpful. आप भी लिखिए, helpful होगा. ठीक है? Let's go ahead. HTML. HTML body. Right inside a tag called table. Open and close. Okay. So I hope you remember the structure of table. What will come first? Caption will come, right? Inside table, the first element will be called caption, sub element caption. You write inside customer details. So this caption is going to represent it is going to represent about your table. What is holding inside the table? The table is holding some information. That information is for what purpose? Information belong to where? So in the table, in the beginning of the table, one headline will come that is called customer details. After looking into that line, we'll come to know this is about customer. Correct? So caption is for what purpose? That represent the headline of the table. After looking at headline, we'll come to know what is this. Correct? Okay. Now, after caption, what we have? TR we have. And TR have two sub-element. One is called TH. That represent the heading. So we can write here called full name as a headline. And after that, we can use a TD data for full name. Full name becomes a heading. Correct. And Mr. Ganesh become the data. Right. So it is going to represent one TR, one row, completely from beginning to last. TR is a block level tag. It covers the full width. TH and TD is a inline. It will come side by side automatically. Right and run once. Okay, got it. Let's add some more information about customer. Second tier. TH, mobile number, third TD, next TD, add some number, any number you can add. Right? Now we'll leave this 2TR and we'll run the page and we'll apply the property and we'll understand align meaning is what, self-hiding meaning is what, order meaning is what. Run this file, it will look like it's a table but congested. It will not have sufficient space from surrounding. Inside also, outside also, very compressed space will be there. Running. Basic table, something like this. It is showing the information, but not very attractive because properties you have not added. It will look simple only. Add the first property called align. Align equal to, by default is left. You can put in the right or you can keep in the center. So we'll keep here called align as a center. CENTER. So now same table will come in the middle of your screen. Same table will come in the middle of your screen. Okay. Next, after that, write the next property called border. BORDER. Write some number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any number you can write and check once. Give one first. Inside, outside. Inside, outside, you will get the equal border. Equal border. See? Next come. You can see this contents are there, but looking congested. Now we have a property called self-hiding. Give some number 10, 15. After that, see. Self-hiding 15 given. Check now. Table will become spacious. Table become spacious, something like this, right? So here, the mobile number what I have written, it is leaving 15 pixel in the left, right, top and bottom. But inside the cell, not out of the cell. This mobile number we have written, it is also leaving equal space from all the side. Full name is leaving. So the content of your cell will leave equal gap. Correct? Let's come. Increase little. 15 you are given. Change to 25 and then say. $25. Self adding 25. Working? Space happen? Where? Inside or outside? Inside of cells, right? Inside the TH and TD. The same thing we are written, no? Cell padding used to apply the space inside the TH and TD. Correct? Hmm. Which one? Look at the bigger first one. Here in my case also same problem. No? Can you see here? This is the biggest value. It's the biggest value. This mobile number. In this all the values, this is the biggest length. No? Now it is covering little more area. Correct? Here the value is how much less. So you compare from top, compare from left, compare from bottom, don't compare from right side. Because your content itself is less. But from top, bottom and left, equal or not equal? Equal. If I increase the content here, let me write here. Ganesh I have written. Write Ganesh Bangalore. Bangalore. Ganesh Bangalore. Now you will feel mobile number is taking less space. Ganesh Bangalore is taking more space. See here, Ganesh Bangalore is taking more space. Mobile because the content is less compared to previous cell. So in this cell you can see wherever you have the highest value, longest value, longest text, compare there. See, it's leaving equal space from top, left, right, bottom, all the side. That is called cell padding. What is that space? 25 pixel from all the side. Okay, now come now, add some next TR. You can add some more TR inside, 2, 3 more TR. Mobile number, why you send in the chat here? Who is that? Anita, you send mobile number here in the group, WhatsApp group. Please message in this number 87924-62607. In this you can message your name and name you will message, number will come automatically. Okay. Now let's go write the next TR. One TH will add here. Inside we can write called city. And we can write one TD. Write some city name, any city name, Bangalore. Check once how it is. Okay, added, check now. So one more cell got, one more TR got, increase, right? Go ahead, add one more TR. Follow the TH. Anything you can write? Suppose gender I wrote, next TD. Take now. Okay, so next your page look like this. Now let's come up, write one more property that is called cell padding. We are clear. Where is the space? Inside the TH as well as inside the TD, equal space inside. Apply next property called cell spacing. Cell spacing. You can give some 10, 15 and see any difference is coming or not. If coming, then where? Cell spacing. Where is the space? Inside the cell or outside? Outside, between two cells, right? We get the space between two cells. So inside the TH and TD, a space will come from the cell padding. Out of the TH and TD, a space will come from the cell spacing. Maybe you will ask, full name should not leave the space in the left side. Suppose this is the full name. Maybe you should not leave a space from the top. A space should be left, right is okay. But a space from top and bottom should not be there. If a space is coming from top and bottom, height is increased. We want height should not increase, only the width should increase. So you will say, okay, let's put the cell padding from left and cell padding from right. Not from top and not from bottom. Correct? That you cannot do in HTML. You have to take the help from where? CSS. Here we have only one type. Cell padding, if you write, means equal from all the sides. Give 20, 30, 50, 100, anything equal from all the sides. Okay. CSS will come. CSS will say you want to give equal from all sides. Then write padding 30 pixel. Then all the side gap will be 30 pixel. Again, you will say, no, I don't want 30 pixel from all sides. I want only from left and only from right. Then CSS will say, no problem. I have a property for you, padding hyphen left 30 pixel and padding hyphen right 30 pixel. So what will happen? A space only from left and a space only from right. Correct? Sometimes we want a space from only one side, not from three sides. Then again, what we'll do? We will apply from only one side, will not apply from remaining side. So that way we have total 5 methods we have using the CSS. Through that we can apply. But you should not make a note now. You will make a note once you come in CSS. You can see here, when you have written the cell spacing, can you see this full name is leaving the equal space from all the side? Leaving? Maybe requirements say like, no, don't give a space from left and don't give a space from right. Give a space only from top and bottom. Again, HTML will say no, only one is there. That is called cell spacing. Whatever you give, it will be equal from all the side. CSS will come. CSS will say, we have total how many? 2 plus 4, 6 plus 5. Okay, 11 type of margin we can apply. That's called a margin. Here what we are saying, cell spacing. Between two cells you are giving the space. They are the same thing, but it will call as a margin. Between two, apply some margin, apply some gap. But again, where? All the side, then only margin. Only from top, then margin top. Only from bottom, margin bottom. Only from left, margin left. Only from right, margin right. Correct? So how many types? 5 types. Sometime you want this mobile number should overlap on this. Where? On heading, we have a heading called mobile number and we have a value called number. Right? You want sometime the half of the mobile number should overlap on this. Correct? Then in that case, we'll say margin left minus 30 pixel. Where you want to start, don't start from there. Go inside 30 pixel and start from there. So that is called what? Minus. Clear? On internet, usually when you see the pages, you will see very good look and feel, overlapping here, there, many things will come, right? How will manage that? We have a properties for that. Okay. So now in HTML, we have to manage with one property that is called cell spacing. Cell spacing equal to margin, where in the CSS. Cell padding equal to padding, where in the CSS. Here we have how many types? One type. There we have 4 5 types. In the Bootstrap, we have 25 types of margin and 25 type of padding. Okay. You will not get opportunity to write anything manually. Everything is exist. What you want? You want a space, 25 types already predefined. Okay. You will feel like even 25 types is not all required. 4 5 only is helpful to fulfill the requirement. Okay. Okay. Chaliye, let's go.
By default bold, right?
Which one? TH. The difference you can see here now. TH is bold. Leave that. Come here. You can see Bangalore having the big area, but it is printing where? In the left side. Bangalore is printing left side. That is called TD. So TD print from where? By default from left. Look at false CT, where it is in the center. And compared to the text formation, this is by default as a bold. This is by default as a normal. Correct. So TD will print in the left side, normal text. TH will print in the center as a bold. Okay. That's called a heading. Heading means little big font size. Sorry, something attractive, something highlighted. Okay.
Sir, in interview something they can ask some interview something.
Interview, sir, this all question was 10 years before. 10 years before, this some question was from HTML5 question. 10 years before, interview pattern was different. Start from HTML. If you are able to answer 5 questions, then 5 questions from the CSS. If you are able to answer 5 questions from JavaScript. If you are able to answer 5 questions from Ajax Little Inside. If you are able to answer 5 questions from backend. 5 questions from database, done. Go and implement one example. Insert, update, delete list, create application as a technical round, final round, machine round, and take offer and go home. But nowadays, people have a lot of time problem. People think like first you check whether what we required you have or not. Don't check from the below, check from the top. First ask 5 questions from the React itself. Okay, if you are able to answer, then ask some 5 questions from JavaScript also. Means you know React. Now you know little more inside JavaScript or not. Then if you are able to answer, then ask some question from the CSS, whether you can design also or not. If you are able to answer, then ask some question from HTML also. So nowadays, what is the order? Descending. That time order was ascending. In this descending order also there is something else. Nowadays, company will take the list of the email ID from here of the candidates. They will not ask the resumes. First, they will send the name, mobile number, and email ID and education. Okay, so the people from here, our recruiter will send in Excel. Okay, download from application and send in Excel. Now, company will look into that. They will not call also. They will not say anything to everyone. They will send the test link and assignment link. Okay, first you finish online test. Or maybe before test also, first you finish the assignment itself. Complete assignment and submit it. If your assignment is average able to see, okay, average have done 50, 60, 70% if you have done, then let's talk. And then start the question in descending order, not in ascending order. Understood, no? So where is the complexity level? Complexity level is different. Correct. Right? Anyone want to hire you want to hire a labor, what do you want? You want the person should be strong, he should do any work. Correct? Right or wrong? Person should be young, he should not tied in between. Correct? Person can go marketing and bring some material also. Correct? Person should drive two-wheeler also, right? Person should not be very old person, right? So these all we are checking in the labor that we are hired for one day. And the person is going to hire you for the 5 years, 10 years, 4 years, correct? They are going to spend a lot of money. They have to look into different way. Correct or not? Then you will feel like very difficult. Yeah, I taken wrong decision. Huh? This also question come in mind. See, I told you yesterday also, in future, not future, now you are preparing for what? You are not preparing to be an audience. You are preparing to be a performer. Understood or not? You are preparing to be a creator. You are preparing not to be a user. Clear? So to be a creator, to be a performer, correct? You must have to be little different than everyone. Correct? You are going to see in the market, villages, everywhere. If you go in the middle class, not middle class, everywhere I'm talking, doctor and engineer, right? These two profile are a strong profile, no, as of now. In social level, if you if you talk, what is the good profile? Doctors and engineer. You are going to be a software engineer. Then what do you think? It cannot be something like VPO work, no? Hello, sir, how can I help you? It must be challenging work, correct? The person who is able to handle the challenge, company is open with the sitting with the briefcase, lot of money. You come and take, all are yours only. But you should be able to deliver the output. Clear? So we should not feel like it's a very complex insight. Okay. See, when you look from outside, it look different. When you go inside, it look different. Right? When suppose someone say I get 1 lakh salary per month. Okay. A person who is not earning something, for him 1 lakh is huge, right? But person who is earning 1 lakh, ask from him, he will feel like your money will come. As soon as money will come, it will go also. Right or wrong? Looking from outside, looking from inside, both are different. Correct? So आपको positive रहना है. You should not feel like difficult. If you think difficult, difficulties will come in front of you. Okay. When difficulties come in front of you, should not close your eye, just open your eye properly. Look at the difficulties, look at the problem. What is this? Definitely you will find a solution at any corner of the problem. From there you can start working. But when problem come in front of you, if you close your eyes, no, later you will not feel like I should open my eyes. You will feel like the problem was there, yeah? And the problem definitely it will become a big problem. Okay. So that way you need to think. Okay. आप फाइटर हो, आई एम नॉट जस्ट पॉलिशिंग यू, मैं आपको पॉलिश नहीं मार रहा हूँ, समझ कि नहीं? आई एम जस्ट कन्विंसिंग यू, करेक्ट? द पीपल हु आर have not courage to fight in the market, they left the market, they went home, they started the business and all. Excellent people got job from college itself. You are in middle. You don't want to go home also, and you are not excellent even also. You are in between as a fighter. Do something, do something, do something, right? Okay. I am standing there only. I have seen the industry, how the people work, what to do, what will happen in offices, how much knowledge is required to clear the interview, how much knowledge is required to work on the project, right? Those are all the things is our past 10 years of experience, correct? I am preparing in this such a way where slowly, step by step, you should come up, correct? Just not lose your patience, else you will slide down. आप नीचे चले जाओगे, right? Keep energy, okay, keep positive, right? And don't close your eyes, just open your eyes and look at the world, right? World is running very fast. आपको आगे बढ़ना है कि नहीं? You want to move forward, no? Challenge you have to take. There is no other way. Okay. Many people will call here, they'll say, I'm mechanical, I want to change my domain. They'll say, the coding work is difficult. We ask, do you have any alternate option? If you have alternate option, go there. Else, if you want to come here, you have to face the challenge. Right? Anywhere. What do you think? It's not challenge. When you drive two-wheeler, it's a challenge, yeah? Challenge or not? When you drive a two-wheeler, it's a challenge, correct? At any moment, accident will happen. Will I stop driving? No. That is a requirement we have to do. Correct? You want to reach somewhere, you want to save the career, you want to achieve a lot of things in the future. Correct? You have to do something. Okay? ऐसे हम लोग पढ़ते हैं. Okay? Okay, so let's go ahead. So we have made this file. This file look like this, right? Come next. We'll go to the next table. This table has explained us saying like, if you have one customer, you can display like this. If you have 100 customer, how you will display? You cannot display like this, no? 100 customer. 100 customer, if you display like this, your page will become such a long. Correct? So we have other way. Create next file. Table 2. Property will be same. We'll create one more. Quickly. I have spent 5-10 minute time here there. Table 2.html. Follow the body. Create a table. This table you can write align as a center. Center. Self padding equal to, let's keep 10. Border also keep as a 1. See, the people who learn from me, I'm not saying like everyone will become excellent only. The people who attend the syllabus properly, he attend the regular classes last many years. Okay. Whoever I see on the somewhere in the market, mall, anywhere, wherever I see, the people who have learned from me, none of the people say I'm not working. Everyone will say I'm working here and there. Okay. Maybe he was got placed by the info campus, or maybe he got job directly. But none of the people will say I'm not working. But those people I'm talking who are regular, who are attending everything seriously. Correct. This is the way to reach to the success. Okay. मैं बता रहा हूँ honestly. This is the way to reach to where? Success. Correct. Once you reach to the point, from there you will get very good. You fly anywhere. It's your wish. You will see from there entire world how the people are moving. Okay. From there you jump anywhere, fly everywhere. From there your eyes will open. But to reach till that point where you understand entire world how it works, I will be responsible for that. Caption, write H1, write inside call customer list. Customer list. People are learning, people are getting opportunity, very good. We are okay. In first year, you will write only. In first year, you will write only TH. Okay, so you can see here now inside caption, I have used a tag called H1. H1 is look like known word, right? H1 we have used yesterday, today also. H1 what is going to do now? H1 is going to increase the font size of your customer list. But H1 I have not written inside the table because H1 is not part of the table. Okay, if you write H1 inside table directly, it will go outside. It will not be control of the table. Okay, but caption is the part of table. We given the H1 to whom? Caption. Caption will be inside the table. So H1 will also be inside the table only. Okay. Font size will come here. Okay, right here. Serial number. Write on next PH, full name. Next PH write. Mobile number. Next PH write. Email ID. Not email ID, city you write. City. Next EH write. All what item he purchased. That's called a product. Next EH we can write total price. Okay. So in first year, we added only TH. We added only TH. Second tier, third tier, fourth tier, you will have only date, only TD. So this will become a list of customers. In one line, one customer, second line, next customer, third line, next customer. Okay. So write this much, run once.
Sir, in 2005, since also for HTML, this is JavaScript for front-end, we
2000?
five.
No, I started my career in 2008. So I got hired by some company as a full stack developer, web developer. Okay. For web developer also we have to use it. HTML is from the day when the web page started creating. People started creating the HTML, right? Pages, web page. From that day, HTML. HTML is the only one where you can create the web page. Without HTML, how can you create? Before HTML, there was something else. SGL.
JavaScript was there in 2005.
Not much, less.
Only HTML, CSS used to develop the web page.
Many other technology was there, no? The work of the JavaScript was done by the backend language. What work we are doing in the JavaScript now, that work was getting done by the backend language. PHP, Java, .NET, those languages was working the back. Because of that, the work the profile was called web developer. Okay, it was not a front-end developer, web developer. Like end-to-end work, only one person will do. Designing part also and development part also. Back-end, front-end, all only one person will do. That is called a web developer. Okay. When this JavaScript, Angular, React became popular, work in the JavaScript and React got increased, right? Then the work become separate. Person specialized in JavaScript, they are called the front-end developer. Person specialized in the backend, called it backend. Wrote it, check it once. How that look? It look like this. Come now, write one here. In that, we will add only TD. First TD serial number. Second TD. Any name you can write. Okay. Next TD, write mobile number. Write 111. I'll write here something. Next, what we have city. We need to follow the sequence. Okay. How the TH you have written in the top. See, the first TH is for serial number. I have written one TD for serial number. Second TH is for the full name. I wrote Ganesh for the full name, one TD. Next TD is for the TH is for the mobile number. We follow one TD. Next is called city. So fourth number we wrote for a value. So it will follow the sequence. In front of TH, the TD has to come. Okay. Next, we have called product. So for product, I will add here one TH called Delmouse. Delmouse. And then the total cost I'll write here below. The last TD, the rupees 500. So how many TH we have? 246 TH we have. 246 TD also I have added. So it will follow the sequence. Now you can check. It will look like a okay. Heading is one place and the TDs are below one by one. So it look like this. You can add one more customer. The page will look more valuable. Add one more TR. Zero two. Next TD. Any name you can write. Correct. Next TD you can write some number. One more TD you write for city. One more TD you write what he purchased. Okay. One more TD you write for the price. Save it and check once. You will find the heading is same, but the data are different. For two users, number of TR is different. Something like this. To customer. This is called table. Okay. This is also called table, but the presentation of data is different. This is also called table. Presentation of data is different. We will follow this method if you have bulk records. We will follow this method if you have single record. Okay. Next again, we'll see you tomorrow after spending some time on table tomorrow. After tomorrow, we'll give you some homework you can try. Tomorrow we'll have multiple type of property from table that we are going to implement. 10 property we have discussed now. So in that, how many wrote? Align, then which one? Cell padding, cell spacing, and border. Okay. Now six are more important one, logical one. In that, call span, row span is a more logical. After that, BG color, border color, and all are a smallest one. We can add height, width, we can say. 4 or 5 pages we'll create tomorrow. In that, we will cover all properties and you will remember also. And based on that, tomorrow we'll give you 12 page assignment. In that, you can try 1 or 2 days and hopefully you will do that after tomorrow class. Okay, see you tomorrow. I think all are in the group, right? How many people are there? I've sent you the yesterday all three links I have sent you. 1, 2, 3. Today I'll send you final playlist. In that playlist, daily videos will come. The link will remain same. I'll not send daily link. Link will be only one. In that, HTML1, HTML2, HTML3 will keep coming. Okay, thank you.